Hello, my crafty friends, it's Jellybean, and I am here to show you a grab bag that I'm going to be selling for Valentine's Day, and it's lace and ribbons, and it is 26 yards of lace and ribbons, and the grab bag, everyone should be 99% the same. There may be a chance that I run out of one ribbon and substitute it, but I'm pretty sure I got enough to make at least 6 of these same grab bags. They're going to be $12. That includes shipping. Payment should be PayPal, friends and family only, or Zelle. And I'll put the link to Zelle in the description box below. It is free. It's free to send. It's free to receive. And it works faster than PayPal. So, but I'll accept either one of those as payment. And I will sell to international if someone wants to order, but the additional shipping, customs, and dues would be the responsibility of the buyer. I can only include shipping to the United States. But anyway, again, this is going to be $12, and it's going to include everything, including shipping. The first thing that you will get is 1 yard of this really cute pink. This is a very pale pink heart, and then little pink, and then little red. And the smaller pink ones are, I don't know, it's more of a crayon, where this is more of a pale pink. It almost looks skin color. But anyway, get 1 yard of that. Get 2 yards of this. Oh, this is 1/2 inch. Yeah, this is 1/2 inch ribbon. This is 1.5 inches wide, and it is red organza. You're going to get 2 yards of that. This is a really cute offray ribbon that is 2.5 inches wide. It is super cute for Valentine's Day. It's like a fabric, but you can actually cut hearts out of this. I actually did that, but I should have had them over here. But anyway, you're going to get 2 yards of this. I put the wrong piece in here, but you will definitely get 2 yards of this. It is red and white with little hearts. It looks like quilt. Looks like a patchwork quilt. Super cute. Get 2 yards of that. I also have this burlap ribbon with the finished edges. You'll get 1 yard of this. This is a hot pink. I have this real pretty dainty flat lace that is about 7/8 wide, and you will get 2 yards of this. Let me show it to you up close so you can see. I also have some red lace, and this is, I believe this is 1 inch wide, yeah. Inch wide. You'll get 1 yard of this. I did this for Valentine's Day, y'all. For my card makers, I've got this pink organza sheer pink, and it is like 1/4 inch wide. And I also have it in an offray that's not sheer, that you'll get 2 yards of this one. I need a white piece of paper. Let me see. This is pink, but maybe it'll work. Because see, this is the sheer one. And then these are both really light pink. But you'll get 2 yards of each one of those. You're also going to get 2 yards of this heart offray ribbon. Now this is kind of like the florist ribbon that they use, but it makes super cute bows. I made one here to show you an example. Ta-da! But you'll get 2 yards of that. And you'll get a yard of the small red pom-pom trim. I should be using my card. And that is a really bright Valentine Christmas red, which you can also use. Now, all this red you can also use for 4th of July if you don't use it for Valentine's Day, or you think it's too late to use for Valentine's Day. This is a mauvey pink color, and it is like a 1/8 inch wide ribbon that is super cute and makes cute bows as well. But you will get 2 yards of that. And then I have this itty bitty 16 inch, which is good. Now, you're gonna get 2 yards of this, but you can make a small tassel with this. If you get the ribbon clamps that I showed you in my other video, or my other Destash video, you could actually make small tassels with this, but it's real tiny, 1/16. It's real pretty on cards. You can use it for your little pocketbook handles on those that have the pocketbook mem decks. Those would be cute. This is also a 1/8 inch ribbon this is a satin ribbon, but you're gonna get 1 yard of this one. And you're going to get 2 yards of this crocheted lace with gold thread on the bottom of this. And let me put it on my card. I'll get used to this one day. I'm no Vanna White, that's for sure. But if you look real close, you can see the gold thread comes up through here, and then it goes all the way across the bottoms, but it comes up through the lace, and it is gathered lace, and it is beautiful. You can make flowers out of this. I showed in my flower tutorial how to make flowers out of this, and you will get 2 yards of that. And then, last but not least, you will get 1 yard of each one of these colors of eyelash trim. There is light pink, hot pink, medium purple. It's not a light purple, but it's not dark either. It's medium. And then red, and the red has some metallic thread in it. For Valentine's Day, you can also use this in your shabby stuff, and 4th of July on the red. So, this is a lace ribbon and trim grab bag for $12, which includes shipping to US. If you are interested, let me know below and leave your email so I can contact you and get your address and everything and payment and send it out. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll be back with some more stuff soon. I'm gonna try to put together a Easter kit. Anyway, have a crafty day, and I'll be back soon. Bye for now.